Hello everybody, welcome back to Battle Cats. So I've been playing Cursed Blizzards for a little bit, and I think I came up with a slot that might beat both of those slots. Okay, so Matcha. Okay, so I have So I have Wildcat, Crazed Wildcat, Lumina, Macho Cat, Jamaica, I think, Gato Amigo, Chill Cat, Seafarer, Bad Lucky Bisou, and Iran Wolf. And now most of these do stuff against aliens. This one is strong. It can knock him back. Weakens and resistance. Knockback, damage, freeze, everything, and knockback. So I either have to kill them or knock them back. But I've tried a bunch of times and it hasn't worked. But now I think I got a strategy. So I'm gonna send these out. He'll kill them, but then we send out a Seafarer. And then we just kind of wait for Lumina. I've been getting very lucky with Seafarer lately. Like he freezes it, then as he's about to attack, he freezes him again. But I guess this attempt just isn't going that way. Okay, so I had a little bit of a bad luck, but I'm getting better. Yeah, see, that's exactly what I mean. Gato Amigo. He pushed him back. I don't think he'll be very useful. I might take him out for someone else. Like maybe Rover Cat would be nice. Yeah, Rover Cat would be good. Okay. So it's going pretty well. Okay. I've been stuck on this stage for years, and I've never came up with this strategy. See, I've been getting lucky with him. He constantly freezes him. Now I'll just wait until he's about to attack again. I did it too early. It was too early. Okay, now I kind of just wait. Yes, Seafarer is very good for this. So, yeah, hopefully I beat them this attempt. Okay, she's taking a lot of damage. I think we need some stuff in here. Cause like if you take too long, then they start to spam alien slots. Yeah, see, if you take too long, they just bully you. They just like spam all of them. Okay, so this attempt wasn't very good, but I might take out Macho Legs. Yeah, I'm gonna take out Macho Legs, Jamaica, and Iron Wolf. No, put something like Rover. Also, it doesn't help that they're all buffed, like really buffed. So that attempt wasn't good, but maybe next attempt it will. So, take you out, and you out. Good because they're all just kind of like wasters. Let's see, aliens. Oh, there's a ton. Oh, okay. So we got quite a few to pick from. No, not him. Let's see. How about Rover Cat? Because Rover Cat's good. What does he do? Slows them down. I've never really used him. Let's try that. What's that? No. And freeze. It's a small chance though. Slow. Okay. Now we just kind of want a cat that can do a lot of damage. How about like massive? No. How about a long range attacker? Because like we need long range. Not you. Yeah, she can work, I guess. No, she's too expensive. I'll never be able to send her out. Prisoner cat. Now, how about you? You're at least a little bit more damage. Okay. I don't think I'll have enough. And I think I'm gonna have to use cat food. Yeah, I need cat food. Hopefully this attempt goes better than the other ones. Okay, we've got a few new choices of cats. Okay. Also, Gato Amigo isn't too expensive. That's good. And he can knock the enemy back. Yeah, see, this attempt is going a bit better than the last one. Still, he killed all of my other cats, but it's going at least a bit better. Okay. Now he's dead, but not my spirit. I keep on sending it like too late or too early. I don't know. Let's try you out. Nope, I thought you had long range, but apparently it doesn't. Yeah, it's just not working. Okay, now quick, go bad luck, go! Yes, bad luck, yes! I mean, hopefully I get good luck, but Bad Lucky Bees has been pretty good lately. Okay. Now, I wait. And now I stop waiting and send out another Lumina. Okay. So this attempt hasn't really been going too sweet. But hopefully it'll turn around. Because if they start spamming, then I'm lost. Yep. They're spamming. No, this is just cruelty. Okay. Yep, I lost. And what? For me it takes a long time for it to load, or it just doesn't load at all. Now I'm gonna try the Aku gates. Let's see. How about Bermuda? No. Canada's a no. I don't even know what's in Germany. Let's see. Why not? Why don't we try Spain? We haven't tried to do Spain yet. I forgot to make my Aku loadout, so okay. Now take you out, you out, you out. Aku. I'm leaving Gato Amigo there because Gato Amigo can't do anything to them. Put you in, maybe weaken them. No, already got Yami for that. Maybe you, and just kind of put in whatever I want. Why not try Dancing Flasher Cat? I haven't really used him in a hot minute. So, yeah. I'm looking at our bunny right now. Her eyes are very, very big. Now she's looking at me. It's so weird. The bunny's eyes look so big. Okay. Wait, did I put him in? Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, now we need blacks. Okay. No. I didn't know we were gonna need to put in blacks. Yeah. That sucks. Hey, at least now we can see what's in Spain. I can do that, but I don't really want to right now. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope people start watching my videos more often. Okay. I hope you have a nice day, and goodbye.